Hi cyber sisters and misters. Do you want to watch me go from basic to Slade on my natural virgin 4C hair while reviving my crochet style? Then stay with me. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'll be honest with you as usual, completely transparent. These videos take a long time to make and a lot of love to be great. So show me some love by subscribing. Subscribe. I'm starting by misting my hair with water for hydration. So this extra large chapstick looking product is the Renutrient Slick Stick by Luster's, and it's a lightweight styling wax that allows you to mold and sculpt your hair into a defined style with precision and shine. It's ideal for spiking hair, ponytails, it's for twist and tapered styles. I'm adding a bit of gel over the top of it just to add some shine back into it and kind of balance out the ashiness of the wax. So to add some luster and shine back into the hair, I'm using avocado oil, almond oil, castor oil, and vitamin E oil. This is a mix that I use frequently on my own natural hair. It adds lots of shine to the braiding hair and it just makes it look gorgeous. That's right, my natural hair. So no, this is not my natural hair. This is a crochet style. It's been in my hair for about I want to say 3.5, 4 weeks now. The tutorial for this install is available on my channel. It shows step-by-step instructions that are super easy to follow. So now I'm clipping pieces that have become tangled and entwined with other curls. This keeps the look polished and it helps maintain the curl pattern. I am here for it. I absolutely love this hair. It's by Lulu Tress. It's the Kinky Rod curl. This hair is gorgeous. It's my favorite install so far. I'm head over heels with it. I mean, I absolutely love this hair. I can't say enough about it. It comes pre-looped and it's a winner. This is almond oil, but any oil that doesn't irritate and itch your scalp will do. I dipped a crochet hook in it prior to my install to help it glide over my hair easily. I'm adding a few fresh pieces here and there. I like it fuller in the top and crown, but not overpacked. I'm still spacing them about a finger space apart. So at this point, I could just wrap my hair and call it a night. Or I can wrap it for about 15 minutes, just long enough to set my edges, remove my scarf, and then go on about my day. Now onto my DIY braid and scalp purifier. I created this mix to remove buildup from my hair and scalp during braid and weaving hairstyles. Each ingredient provides a specific function and benefit that gently cleanses and conditions my hair. It soothes my scalp and quiets the itch without submersion, while allowing me to wear my hairstyles longer between shampooing. Now, minus the tea tree shampoo, I can also use this mix to cleanse under crochet styles without submersion. I would simply substitute apple cider vinegar in place of the tea tree shampoo. This mix consists of coconut oil, castor oil, tea tree shampoo, micellar water, and regular old H2O. So mix the product in a bottle with a long spout for easy application. Then flip the bottle upside down several times to get a proper mix. So at this point, my hair has been in this crochet style for exactly 4 weeks. Actually, 2 days shy of 4 weeks. And this is old dirty. Please take me to the river hair. This hair is ready to come out. I'll do my takedown the day after tomorrow. And I'm curious to see how my natural hair and scalp responds to the braidless crochet method. Did I get new growth? Did I experience breakage? How's my scalp doing underneath? I'm so curious to find out. I start by misting my hair and scalp with water. I loosen the debris with my fingertips. I'm using the balls of my fingertips, never ever my fingernails, because I don't want to create abrasions on my scalp. Place the nozzle at the root of my hair and gently squeeze the bottle. I work the product on my scalp to get the buildup to start pulling away. Then I dip a soft bristle brush in the warm water and gently agitate it along my scalp. I continuously rinse my brush in the bowl of warm water to rinse away the goop without submersion. I repeat the dipping and brushing until the scalp is clean and flake-free. By now, my scalp is feeling refreshed and cool from the tea tree. I use a smooth cotton pad to remove any lingering products and residue of the Scalp Purifier. I glide a moistened hand towel down the strands to further remove the purifier. The tiny knobs of the raised fabric on the towel will attract any remaining residue and help to draw it out of my hair and scalp. And now we'll rehydrate and then move on to styling. So this is not meant to replace your regular hygiene routine. This is a temporary solution to refresh your hair and scalp while you're between shampoos or co-washes. Now for my edges. Okay, edges, now let's get in formation. Hey, okay, edges, now let's get in formation. With this Style Factor Edge Booster, this is the one product that I am so happy I finally discovered. It really does put my edges to sleep. We're talking laid and slayed. Don't play, okay? Don't make me say it again. Just listen to the replay. I won't quit my day job. No worries. So a wrap contract may not be in my future, but this gorgeous refresh crochet look is. Get into this look, sis. With a little work, just a little, we can maintain a fresh look in those days before takedown and still look fresh and polished in the process. Yes, I can love on my set for a few days more. I love it. This is hustle hair, not struggle hair. hustle hair. If you found this video helpful, tell a friend to tell a friend. If it helped you, it may help her too. Oops, I'm it. So tag me on Instagram at SUNKiSSED_Nick if you recreate this look. I can't stress enough how I really appreciate your support, and thanks for choosing this channel. Subscribe. Until next time, I'm SUNKiSSED Nick. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of SUNKiSSED Says.